wouldn't have such a Jewish problem if there weren't so many Jews. You know, that kind of thing.
Right. It's one guy who has a very pronounced worldview. It has 0% to do with him being Jewish.
No.
He just really likes power and really thinks the world should be shaped in the way that he particularly believes. And look, everybody wants to rule the world. Tears for Fears wrote a song about it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
George Soros just happens to have a lot of money and is trying to use that money to make these things change. By the way, so is Bill Gates. He's going about it a completely different way. So are the Koch brothers. They're going about it in a very different way. Right? Like, people use their money to try to make the world a better place. I'm sure Soros believes that if he was just running everything would be great.
Yes.
But that doesn't mean we have to accept his vision.
And I want you to know, and I mean this sincerely. I mean, you know my record. I'm not even going to defend it. I might even dance in the music of the spheres. Dance among the Media Matters tweets about how anti-Semitic I am. Because I don't care. If you want to know, there is one category that Mr. Soros slips into, and I will tell you, I'm against all of these people. And yes, I said it, these people. And you know who those people are? Sociopaths. He is a sociopath, or perhaps a psychopath, that enjoys these little revolution things, that they like to play around with people, and sometimes, you know, it doesn't work out, but it's fun. That's a quote. The guy's a sociopath. He does not care about people, and that's the group I put him in.
By the way, just a second.